Join me as I take on the challenge of trying to make $1 million from home in 2024. Can I actually do it? Making $1 million from home in 2024, it sounds like a dream come true, doesn't it? With more and more people looking for ways to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and achieve financial freedom, it's no wonder this idea has gained so much traction in recent years. But let's be real, a lot of people are skeptical about this idea. They think it's just a pipe dream, that it's impossible to earn such a significant amount of money from the comfort of your own home. And I get it, I've been there too. We've all heard the horror stories of online scams and get-rich-quick schemes that never seem to deliver. It's easy to assume that making $1 million from home is just not possible. There are also people who think that making $1 million from home requires some sort of special talent or skill that only a select few possess. They believe that you need to be a genius programmer or a social media influencer with millions of followers to even have a shot at achieving this goal. And then there are those who think that making $1 million from home means sacrificing your freedom and working 80-hour weeks. They imagine that you'd have to be glued to your computer screen 24/7, sacrificing your personal relationships and overall well-being in the process. But what if I told you that none of these assumptions are necessarily true? What if I told you that making $1 million from home is not only possible but also achievable with the right mindset, strategy, and tools? In 2024, there are so many opportunities to make money from home, and I'm not just talking about freelancing or selling stuff on eBay. I'm talking about creating real businesses, building real wealth, and achieving true financial freedom. From e-commerce and online courses to affiliate marketing and dropshipping, the possibilities are endless. For example, you could start a freelance writing or designing business, offering your services to clients all over the world. Or you could create an online course teaching others a skill you're passionate about, and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. The point is, there are so many ways to make money from home, and it's up to you to explore and find the one that works best for you. One of my favorite success stories is that of a woman named Michelle, who started her own e-commerce business from scratch and made over $1 million in just a year. She didn't have any prior experience, but she was willing to put in the work and learn as she went along. Today, she's living the life she's always dreamed of, and it's all thanks to her determination and perseverance. Michelle's success story is not an anomaly. There are thousands of people out there who have achieved similar results, and it's not because they're special or talented in some way. It's because they were willing to take the leap, put in the effort, and stay committed to their goals. And if they can do it, so can you. So, making $1 million from home in 2024, is it possible? I believe it is, and I hope I've convinced you of that too. It won't be easy, and it won't happen overnight, but with the right mindset and strategy, anything is possible. What do you guys think? Can you really make $1 million from home in 2024? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about making money from home and achieving financial freedom, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and insights.